Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of Etsy vintage flipping, turning those hidden treasures into an 8K monthly jackpot, right?
Absolutely. It's all about those secret hacks that really unlock unique profit paths.
Right, right. So first off, it's like hunting thrift stores for specific gems like 1950s glassware. You use tools like the Price My Item app, which
Yep,
helps you
exactly.
spot undervalued finds.
And that's not all. You gotta be creative. Scouring garage sale groups on Facebook for retro stuff, like Retro 2025 decor. Snag those items before they become mainstream on Etsy.
Yeah. And don't even get me started on sourcing vintage furniture with OfferUp's free filter. It's like flipping for profit with minimal spend, right?
Exactly. But tell me, the pricing strategy, how do you go about that? Is it really as simple as a base plus a rarity fee?
Oh, for sure. It's like setting a base price, say 60 bucks, and then a vintage rarity fee of 15. You validate that using sold listings on Etsy.
Right on. Interesting. Now, what about generating that early buzz? I heard about a first 20 buyers vintage bundle deal.
Yep, exactly. Launch with that bundle to create instant visibility. It's almost like giving early adopters a secret handshake into your store.
It's clever. I gotta ask though, isn't there a risk that the bundle might devalue your products over time?
Good point, but the idea is to spark buzz quickly, build loyal customers before the competition catches on. It's like balancing exposure without sacrificing premium
I
value.
see your angle. And when it comes to listings, I'm intrigued by the vintage origin story text file link. Really sets the scene, doesn't it?
Absolutely, it gives that backstory that hooks buyers with authenticity. It's like, well, adding flavor to your products, making them resonate deeper with nostalgia seekers.
Yep, very effective. What about photography tips? People are raving about that $12 clamp light trick with a softbox filter.
Yeah, oh man, it really ups your game by mimicking professional vintage lighting. It's like um, getting that Instagram worthy look without breaking the bank.
For sure. And shipping hassles? There's this neat idea about adding a packing details PDF to cut down on complaints.
Right, that tactic cuts complaints by 20%. It's a minor yet crucial detail that saves a ton of hassle.
Details matter. Also, sending out a vintage postcard with the first orders for reviews. That's a neat influencer trick.
Yep, it discreetly boosts early reviews. Little touches like that can really build momentum, you know?
Right, every detail counts. And then there's the secret for scaling. Reinvesting 20% into bulk vintage lots. Do you really think that works for an 8K target?
I do. It's like fake snow risk. A small extra investment expands inventory and paves the way for larger profits.
I get it, though I wonder if there's a balance to be struck. Sure, striking balance is key. And lastly, pairing those flips with a niche TikTok video seems to be the cherry on top for organic traffic.
Exactly. Social media, especially TikTok, drives unexpected waves of visitors. It's like combining vintage charm with modern marketing.
Solid strategy, no doubt. Well, this was a whirlwind of creative insights into vintage flipping. I mean, who knew hunting, pricing, and even a little influencer magic could unlock such hidden profit?
Absolutely. It's all about those little hacks that add tremendous value, turning passion into profit.
Thanks for the deep dive. These secrets definitely open the door for anyone interested in tapping into that vintage market.
Yep, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep flipping those vintage treasures for that sweet 8K monthly win.